everyone. I'm Kay. I'm the founder and owner of Sugarbird Sweets. Today I'm going to show you how to bake your frozen scone dough. It's super quick and easy to make. You get your frozen scone doughs in these packages. Keep them frozen. You don't need to defrost them. And once they're in transportation, it might thaw a little bit, but don't worry, it's not going to go bad. It's not like ice cream. So just put it back in your freezer. And when you're ready, just open it up. And some of you might have multiple flavors. It's totally fine. Say you want to bake like just 4 scones. And you have your sheet tray, your parchment paper lined, ready to go. What you want to do is just put on 4, but put it at the corner, because if you don't, the paper while you're like baking it, if you have a convection oven, it's going to go over and it's not going to make your scone very good. So that's one thing that's important. Make sure your oven is preheated to 365 completely. And then once your oven's hot, grab your scones, put it on, put it in to the oven, set your timer for 18 minutes. And voila, that's it. Super simple. I think our scones are done. I'm gonna check to see. And when I check, I use the back of my fingers to press down. If it bounces back, it's not ready. If it's hard, it's ready. So take it out. And I'm going to glaze it. So what we're gonna do is take the tip and we're going to glaze it. And at this point, you can put some sprinkles, some chocolate chips, some matcha, anything, dehydrated fruits that you can just like drizzle over. It's fantastic to make it any way you like.